So you have joint pain. Okay, this is acidosis. Your body is acidic. Okay, it means that your lymph system, your kidneys and adrenals are not working properly. So the body will accumulate lymphatic waste. This will affect the joints. Okay, you need kidney filtration. High blood pressure is your kidneys and adrenals. The top number is your adrenals. The bottom number is your kidneys. They're interconnected. Okay, high blood pressure, low blood pressure is all the same, back and forth. Fatigue, your adrenals are weak. Brain fog, you have mucus in the head region. Okay, it's affecting the brain. Also, your adrenals could be parasites. When your adrenals are weak, you have fungus. Okay, fungus can cause brain fog. No thyroid, I'll fix my endocrine glands. You have lower back pain. It's usually your kidneys, okay? And it can also be your nervous system. When is your nervous system? It's going to be your adrenals, the bowels, okay, and the back of your head. So mucus in the head region. And you said you always feel like you have mucus in your head. Again, acidosis, which means your bowels are congested. Yeah, when the head sits on the GI tract, when it can't drain acids out, it's going to cause congestion, and you're going to have mucus in the head region. Eye floaters, mucus in the head. Okay, acidosis. You want to address this. Step number 1: change your diet. I will be 100% fruit diet. I'll go on a 10-day lemon-only cleanse to start the process. Okay, herbs. I'll use herbs for the kidney tincture, adrenal tincture, lymphatic 1 tincture, glands E for the endocrine glands, kidney T, circulatory 1, neurological 1 for the brain and nerves. This for pushing blood flow to the head region. Okay, use an eye wash tincture for the eye floaters and also to remove mucus in the eyes. Clean the gut. Use a bowel strength tincture. Use a bowel cleanser. The bowel cleanser will remove mucus plaque in the small intestines. The bowel strength tincture is to strengthen the bowels. Okay, clean your sinuses. It means use a neti pot with peppermint oil to break the mucus. Do some eye washes, as I mentioned. Do some ear candling. Okay, anything you can do to break the congestion of mucus in the head, and give it time. That's it.